Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Leo for the month of November 2025. This will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, in this reading we will see the overall energy for the month of November, key obstacles or challenges, the guidance or actions or advice we have, the opportunities and strength, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will see some guiding messages from the angel and ancestors deck. One guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. Okay. So let's see. If you would like to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via email. My email ID is mentioned on the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So let's start the reading for Leo, the month of November 2025. Overall energy for Leo for the month of November. Energies for Leo for the month of November. Okay. All right. Let's see what are the key challenges or obstacles we have for Leo. Key challenges or obstacles for Leo. Please clarify the Magician card. Wow. The Hanged Man. Okay, let's see the actions or advice we have for Leo. Actions or advice for Leo. Okay. What are the strength and opportunities we have for Leo? Strength and opportunities we have for Leo. Please clarify. Please clarify the Eight of Wands. Okay. What's the probable outcome for Leo? What's the probable outcome for Leo? November 2025. Probable outcome for Leo, November 2025. What's the probable outcome for Leo? Okay, got it. Okay, so the overall energy for you, Leo, I see is, there is this energy of, what do you say, trying to pull the other person down, or trying to be, how do you say, trying to be too proud on achieving things you have received but the others have not. Okay, so ऐसा इस तरह की एनर्जी है कि आपने जो भी अचीव किया है लाइफ में, या in your workplace, in your relations, in anywhere, so it can be your energy or the energy of the people around, but it's the overall energy for the month of November. Okay, so see how you are fitting into it or how you're connecting with it. But there is this energy of, either if you are in an authoritative position, you have to be mindful of the behavior you are doing with your subordinates or with your juniors. Okay, so you don't have to be too blunt in your communication so that your words may hurt other person. Okay, be very mindful of your words, the way you are communicating with others, and try not to be in that energy of ki, I have the authority and I can say whatever I want, I can behave however I want. Try to not get into that kind of energy. Okay, that is what I'm getting. And if the people around are trying to do that with you or doing that with you, don't be aggressive. Don't react to the situation aggressively. Rather, you should focus on, is it something in your hand to deal with, or you can just ignore it. Because if you will impulsively act or react to the situation, it might become worse. Okay, that is what I'm getting for you. There are obstacles, there are challenges during the month. I'm seeing things can be a bit, stormy as in not going so smoothly how you expect it to be. But yeah, that kind of energy is there. See, that kind of energy is there, and you have to be very patient while in that kind of situation or circumstances. Okay, now coming to the obstacles or challenges is you are not able to make the best use of the things you have. Okay, it's like आपके पास सब चीजें हैं जो आपको जरूरत है आपके लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, ग्रो करने के लिए, अपने अपने वर्क को इफेक्टिवली एग्जीक्यूट कर अपने प्लान को इफेक्टिवली एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए देयर इज ग्रोथ, but you are somewhere stuck. You are stuck in something from your past, as I'm saying, and you are not moving on from that. Okay, you are somewhere still deep down you are holding back to the past energies, past traumas, past connections, past experiences, past emotions, and you are not thinking clearly, you are not seeing clearly, you are not working towards your growth, towards your goal passionately. Okay, uh, even if you want to, but you are not doing it because you are stuck. You are not releasing the past, you are not letting it go, you are holding on to that past energy, and that is why things are stuck. You are not able to see clearly or move ahead in your life. Okay, you are not able to create that magic you want because of the stuck energy, past energy. Okay, that is what the challenge here is. You need to release the past, you need to let it go, you need to set yourself free so that you can work on yourself, work on your task, and see the growth you want or you expect. Okay, you have everything, you have the resources, you have the talent, you have the you have the passion towards it, you can work on it, you can express things clearly, but you are not doing it or you are not able to do it because when you want to do all that, suddenly you go back into the past connection, past energy, and everything you are planning it is kept like that, and you are spending 80% of your time and energy on the past, and only 20% you are giving when you think, okay, I want this, I want to do this, I have this, I can do this, I can start like this, but it's just 20% here. 80% you are stuck in the past energy. Oh, okay. Okay, now the action and advice here is, you see, you have everything. Okay, you are financially blessed, you are mature enough to deal with the emotions or deal with your emotions in a mature way. You are stable. Okay, you are good in your you know how do you say, you're good in expressing your emotions in a mature way. So you are somebody who is mature, stable, mindful of your things, independent, and financially independent, emotionally grown, emotionally stable, emotionally, you connect with the people. But you are, because of this energy of being stuck in the past, you are not able to move ahead in your emotional life or towards your independence. You need to work towards your you need to work towards your uh, stability, your how you can make the best use of the things you are blessed with. You have the ability to do everything, but you are not doing everything, and you are supposed to do that. Okay, be grateful for whatever you have in your life. Be grateful for everything, instead of complaining about the things or being stuck in the past energies, past wounds. You are being advised to be grateful, be loving, be caring, be nurturing towards others and with yourself, and to deal with the situation in a more mature way. You have that maturity, but somewhere you're not able to handle it properly because of the hanged man energy. Yeah, you need to be grounded, and you need to be mature, both. Materialistically, you have everything. You just need to be grateful for it. You need to start being grateful for it. Okay, emotionally you are mature. There may be some, emotional up and downs you have gone through. Deep down there are some emotional ups and downs happening, but you have to don't, dive deep into the past emotional turmoil. You have to come out of it and sit on it stable, in a stable energy, that I can deal with it. It has happened, it has gone, it is in the past. It cannot, or it is not disturbing me anymore. I have overcome that. You need to have that kind of attitude, you need to have that kind of energy. And you need to, be open to communication, open to expression. Express your love, express whatever is running in your mind, instead of you know uh, quietly dealing with everything. Okay, now coming to the strength and opportunities is, something is moving, something is happening fast, something is happening faster than you expect. Now it can be a travel, it can be a movement. uh, a movement is happening for sure. Now it can be in the form of a travel, it can be in the form of a relocation, but it is happening too fast. Okay, and you are somewhere advised to balance it in a most um, you know a mature way. Maybe you may be dealing with something is to be revealed to you, which will be too fast than you expect. आप जितना उम्मीद कर रहे हो उससे कहीं ज्यादा तेजी से वो चीज होगी या डिस्क्लोज होगी या सामने आएगी, और आपको बहुत मेच्योरिटी के साथ, बहुत बैलेंस के साथ उस सिचुएशन को डील करना है. बट जो भी कम्युनिकेशन आ रहा है, जो भी चीजें आ रही है, इट इज फॉर योर ग्रोथ, इट इज फॉर योर हाईएस्ट गुड, इट इज फॉर योर how do you say, taking you to the next level. Okay, that kind of energy I'm getting. So there is something to be revealed to you, something which is very important, and maybe because of that you may have to travel. For some of you, I am seeing it is related, a travel related to your business. Expect an 7 to 8 days of business travel, and you need to be very passionate towards it, you need to be energetic towards it and work towards it. Something is to be revealed to you within 8 days from the day you are seeing this reading is also I am getting. Okay, expect a communication, expect something to be disclosed, something to be revealed, something very important to be dealt with. And this whatever is going to be disclosed, it's something you have been waiting for too long. And it is also, you know आप किसी चीज, आपको उस चीज को बैलेंस करने की जरूरत है. मे बी कुछ जैसे एग्जाम्पल में एक ट्रेडिशनल कल्चर को आपको मॉडर्न तरह से आगे बढ़ाने की जरूरत है. समथिंग लाइक दैट, which can be a bit of challenging thing. It can be a leadership kind of activity where you have to lead a particular thing. Okay, so you have to find a middle way to deal with that situation, or to deal with that, whatever the thing is being given to you or to be revealed. Okay, deal with it in a most mature and calm way. Okay, now the probable outcome is, something is, you need to create a balance. As I said, you need to create a balance. You are being supported materialistically, emotionally. You are being supported, you have the support of the universe, you have the support of the people around, support of your family, of your friends, at an emotional level, finance level, everything. Okay, things are good. And I also see that somebody is, coming towards you with this expression of their emotions towards you. Okay, you may be closed off. Now I'm getting that the King of Cups is, if somebody is coming to you with expressing their emotions to you, don't have to keep your guards down and go deep dive into the past trauma. No, don't do that. You have to deal with it in a mature way. Somebody who is coming to you is coming with the pure intentions. Okay, someone who is coming with a mature energy. This person is प्योर एट इंटेंशन, आई मीन इनके इंटेंशंस प्योर है. ये बहुत एनर्जेटिक पर्सन हो सकते हैं. हो सकता है फॉर वेरी फ्यू ऑफ यू आप किसी फैमिली के यंगेस्ट मेंबर से डील कर रहे हो. मेल फीमेल, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, इट इज अ जेंडर इररेस्पेक्टिव. सो सी हाउ इट इज कनेक्टिंग विद यू. बट आई सी समबडी इज कमिंग टू यू विद दिस लव ऑफर for very few of you, and this person has very pure intentions, pure feelings, and They are coming with the good intention towards you. You don't have to run away from it. Rather, listen to your instinct. Don't get caught up by the past. Okay, don't get stuck by the past energy like the Hanged Man. Just see what you want and accordingly take the next step. Now let's see one guiding message for you. Okay, one card flipped, two cards flipped. Trader, exchange energy to create abundance. Now here, energy doesn't mean it's only about money. It's about when you give love, you receive love. When you give respect, you get respect. Okay, so that is also the energy exchange, right? So you need to be very careful with your communication. As I said, अगर आप किसी के साथ rude behave कर रहे हो, so don't forget that you will get it back from the universe. If you are being good with others, you will get it back from the universe. So it is ultimately on you how you deal with the people or the situation around. Also, it's like another one is She-Wolf. Unleash the wild within. You don't have to be always this sweet person and a people pleaser and do things by killing your own emotions or killing your own happiness. No, you don't have to always be like that. Okay, so you need to focus on what is that you want to do, or you have been waiting to do something, and because of the other situations or some restrictions or whatever it is, you are not doing it. You need to unleash the wild within. If you want to go on a solo trip and you're too afraid, don't be afraid. Just with the proper planning, proper strategy, proper planning, as I said, you need to do something which you have been really craving for. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading, Leo. And if you have liked it, please do like this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.